All right, we're going to do some practice here. So we're going to solve the following with the given information. So this first one, in the purple, we have a plus 6. We're going to solve this when a equals 9. So we are going to, we're going to substitute that in. We're going to substitute this a for when it equals 9. So we're going to put 9 where there's an a. So we're going to do some substitution work there. Substitution, we're going to work there. Then we'll put our answer down here. So when we have a plus 6, a equals 9. So we're going to replace that a with a 9. So it's going to be 9 plus 6. All right, so what is 9 plus 6? Hopefully you get 15. 15. That's it for that first one. All we're doing is substituting it in. We're putting a replacement. Let me put it in green so we can see a little better. There we go. Much better. 15. All right, let's try over here when we have 18 minus p, but p equals 4. So we're going to replace that p with a 4. So our work that we're going to show is 18 minus 4. So we have 18 minus 4. Whoa! There we go. 18 minus 4. And 18 minus 4, all I did was rewrite this. 18 minus 4 is going to be 14. Let's write it in purple. 14. 18 minus 4 is 14. How about 5h? Remember, if we have a number right in front of a variable or right in front of a letter, that means multiply. So this means 5 times h. So that means 5 times h. And this says h equals 6. So when I replace that h with a 6, then we have 5 times 6. Or you can put 5 times 6 with the x. What is 5 times 6? Hopefully you get 30. And that's going to be our answer. That's it for our practice. Great job.